Hello guys, good morning. I just want to do this video before I get into my day. I don't think it is worth me dressing up to come and talk about. So yesterday a brand reached out to me. So they were like, oh, they're about to launch their app or something like that, if I would be interested. So I said, okay, well, it depends. I don't promote for betting companies. I don't do promotion for betting companies and investments, certain type of investment platforms. I don't do it. So they were like, oh no, it's not an investment platform, it's not a betting company that is to make money with WhatsApp. I was like, okay, send me the links, let me go and check it out. So when I checked it out, I didn't understand. I was like, I really don't understand your platform. So they were like, oh, there are a couple of YouTubers that have started doing the promotion in Nigeria. So I asked them, I was like, okay, what's your budget and all of that? So they sent me a commission structure. So I was like, no, I don't do commission-based job. Like, you pay me my money. If there are commissions, fine, but you pay me my money. So they're like, oh, no. I was like, I'm not interested. So they now sent me this YouTuber. I went to check. So first of all, I didn't even know that the thing is viral because I checked TikTok. I didn't say, I only saw one video on TikTok about this particular company. So I now went on Facebook. So apparently it's a new thing, it's a new scam again. But you should not fall for it. So they'll tell you that you will make money from linking your WhatsApp and recruiting people. There are different companies that are doing it, but you guys be careful. Be careful because it's a new way Yahoo boys or Yahoo or scammers are using to scam people. Or even though they are going to pay you like peanuts, like based on their structure, you bring 50 people, you earn 30,000 or 50,000. I can't remember. What they are doing is that you would link your WhatsApp. You are basically giving them permission to be able to use your WhatsApp to do anything. So once you link your WhatsApp to them, because when you go on their website, that's the task that they are going to ask you to do, for you to link your WhatsApp to them. Basically, you have given them all your information. So any conversation in your WhatsApp, they can see it first of all. Then secondly, they are going to be using your WhatsApp contacts to chat with people. That's to send messages, to spam people, to, I think they call it bombing, to people. And before you wake up in the morning, because they'll tell you the part of the task is that your WhatsApp always has to be on. So before you wake up in the morning, they would have archived whatever conversation they were having with those people. Now they'll use your phone number, because it's your phone number, to defraud people. And a lot of people have been, I'm going to put in screenshots from the research that I did. A lot of people have been saying Meta is what's the word now, banning their WhatsApp accounts, because they are using your accounts basically to, so whatever money you think they are paying you, it does not compare to what they are making. So I don't want this video to be too long, okay? I don't want to stress myself. If you've done this thing, go and unlink your WhatsApp contacts from there quickly. Just go and unlink your WhatsApp contacts, okay? I pray that we all have wisdom this 2025. Don't start your year with 5 naira, 10 naira that will put you into trouble. Because if Interpol or whoever wants to trace people, they're not going to trace those people. It is you that they are going to trace. And bloggers, they will collect money. Some are not even collecting money. That's the painful thing. Like, if they are collecting what they are going to get in the commission, if they're collecting money, I know some people don't have conscience. They can collect money for rubbish, but in from my engagement with these people, they are not even collecting money. So please, let's all be careful, okay, this year. All right, see you in the next